Hi, this is gold, XAUUSD, and today it's Monday, 7th of July 2014, and the time is 17:15 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou, and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members and FX Holics Forex Signals mobile applications for iOS and Android. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals, a Bill Williams indicator, and stochastics, an oscillator on its own separate pane. The reason I start from the weekly time frame for the precious metal is that I see a very strong bullish reversal pattern here, and I want you to see it also with me. I see head and shoulders pattern. So I will insert shapes here. Here is the head, and here is the one shoulder, and here is the other, and we see, since we are always looking for confluence, as many confirmations as possible from as many tools as possible, starting with price action. Okay, so first from price action I will zoom in. We have big body bullish candlesticks, and they are already going inside the body of the Kumo, as we see here. I will zoom out though to show you something else. See the leading Kumo. The leading Kumo is horizontal, but it's a flat top, belly down, almost complete bullish reversal pattern, and it's very thin. It is practically it's bearish, but it's very thin, and the vertical distance between the upper border of the bearish Kumo, which is Secuspan B, and the lower border, which is Secuspan A, shows bearish momentum, and we see that bearish momentum decreases. Okay, first sign is what we get from the price. We see that the candlesticks have the strength to fight against the Kumo instead of bouncing off it like we saw here. So now the price is determined to drill through the Kumo, to drill its way. It takes tremendous power to go against the Kumo, because Kumo represents orders. So the price wants to go up against sell orders. Okay, while we see here that buying orders are gradually increasing, and we should expect a boom. Now, the second element, I will magnify it again. The second confluence element, a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on weekly time frame again. We see this candlestick crossing and closing above Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is the Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo line, and it is followed by bullish candlesticks, and the price is balancing above the median Bollinger Band. The other element, let me zoom out. We see that the price started from the lower Bollinger Band, where we had a down fractal, it's crossing, it crossed the upper Bollinger Band, it stays above crossed the median Bollinger Band, it stays above the median Bollinger Band, and this so far is a bullish continuation pattern. We expect that it will go at least up to the upper Bollinger Band before it makes another probably correction, a corrective statistical validation plunge down to the median Bollinger Band again. But in the meanwhile, if the price goes up, then the median Bollinger Band will take an upward inclination. So if the price wants to make the statistical validation plunge down to the median Bollinger Band, by the time this happens, the median Bollinger Band will be sloping upwards. So that downward move will not reach this price level, but a higher one. Okay, because price is in constant move. So the monthly time frame shows that we had a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross there too. Okay, so using my my 4 time frames Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo system sequentially, 4 plus 4 plus any time frames that we have. So we have a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on monthly, so I want to see a bullish Kumo breakout on weekly, which hasn't happened yet, and then we would go to daily. But here, if we want to position ourselves now and not wait for the bullish Kumo breakout to happen on the weekly, we start from the weekly time frame, where we had 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago a strong bullish bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, and go to daily to see if we have a Kumo breakout, a bullish Kumo breakout there. So I will remove the objects. Here, so yes, we have a bullish Kumo breakout, but it's not validated by Chikou span yet. Chikou span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, must be above past price action as it is, and also above the Kumo. So we have to wait for the bullish Kumo breakout on the daily to be validated by Chikou span. That means that I will insert a line here. This will happen at the price level of 1332.60. At this price level, we should expect the validation of the bullish Kumo breakout to happen on the daily. When that happens, we will go to H4, and we want to see there a 100% bullish picture, which is not the case, of course, now. And then we will go to H1 and wait for a correction like this one here, and then we will enter from H1, or we may go to smaller time frames, but since the previous conditions are not met, I don't want to confuse you, so I will go to smaller time frames and try to see if I can find conditions, entry conditions to smaller time frames that can serve you now. So on H1, I see that we had a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross 2-3 candlesticks ago, so that's a good first condition. If we use this as the highest time frame, we want to see a strong bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span on M30. We don't see it yet, so we wait to see this happening, and after this happens, then we'll go to M15. We want to see 100% bullish picture here, which is not the case yet, and then we will go to M5, wait for a deep correction like this one here, a downward move, preferably a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross like the one that happened here. I will insert a shape to show you the cross. This is a bearish price Tenkan-Sen cross. Also, this, I will insert one more. This is a very strong bearish price Tenkan-Sen cross. So we will wait for this move, then the downward move after the bearish price Tenkan-Sen cross, and we will enter when we will see a bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross, the opposite, and we will buy. We will go upwards. But I would advise you, since gold is a very has tenfold leverage, and that means tenfold risk for you, I would advise you to wait for all conditions to be met. So H1, we had the first condition met, which is the bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross. M30, we want to see a bullish Kumo breakout here, validated by Chikou-span. It hasn't happened yet, so we want it to happen. You must wait patiently. This will happen at the price level up here of 1321. Okay, because remember, we want Chikou-span to be above price action and also above the Kumo. So when the price will be here, Chikou-span may be here inside the Kumo. So when the price will be here, Chikou-span will be above the Kumo here. So this is the price level that we expect Chikou-span to validate the bullish Kumo breakout. Okay, wait patiently till you see that. Third condition, on M15, everything must be 100% bullish. It's not bullish yet. The price must be flying high up here. And fourth condition, you will wait patiently for something like this that is going to happen here to happen. You want a bearish, a downward move. The deepest, the better. Okay, so you want it to go down. You want the price to go down as much as possible. You want a bearish price Tenkan-Sen cross, a downward move, and then a bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross like the one here, which you will ride and you will jump in immediately, buying. Okay. Thanks for watching, and many happy pips.